Welcome back to Dimension Trader. This channel is dedicated to help you to improve your trading within 7 days. Today we are going to go over all the pairs and see if we have any opportunity today. So let's start with the first pair. Right now the price is still at the point where we haven't hit the resistance yet. So this one haven't reached yet. Trend line haven't break. So no trade. Let's go next one. This one resistance is right all the way to the top right here. So price trend line holding, nothing break. For the buy, there could be one because the trend line just break on the downside and hit twice for the risk support. If we enter right here, stop put right here, we can expecting for 1 to 1 right here, 1 to 2 right here. Move your stop to the open once you hit the 1 to 1, then let it run to 1 to 2. So this could be the good opportunity for the long. Next, for this one, situation is very similar to the euro. As we see, the uptrend trend line is right here, downtrend trend line right here has been break up, but here we got test once, then break up again, test another time. We can either enter here or wait for another pullback right here. Maybe we'll create a different trend line right like this. So if you're looking for a long for the euro dollar, this pound could be a good confirmation because we haven't reached the resistance right here yet. So as a dimension trader, this is where we see the bottom. Here we see with the support till we hit the dimension 5 right here. So at this point, if we go long, have to be very careful because Friday the weekend is coming up. Okay, let's go to the next one. New Zealand dollar. This one have the very good setup. Today we got a lot of the going on right here, especially uptrend. Uptrend is holding. Downtrend have been break up. We got a support right here, test once, test twice. If we have entered right here or right here, this is a very good long trade. So if we enter right here, stop right here, first target, second target, till we hit the resistance area. This is a good setup. As a dimension, we got a bottom, we got a support, and then we got the dimension 5. Okay, good opportunity for long as the long trend line doesn't break. So remember to manage your trade once you hit first target. So don't forget to move your stop from here to your entry. This could be a very good long trade. Next one. As we see, uptrend break, resistance, test once, test twice. We might have some downtrend trend right here. So good for short. Stop, target 1, target 2, till we hit all the way to here as the trend line from the bottom, dimension 1, consolidation dimension 2, top, dimension 3, holding for the resistance dimension 4. So we are expecting this one going down to dimension 5. So dollar CAD, good opportunity for short. Dollar sweets. This one, no trend line break, no support resistance going on, no trend line break, pricing holding here, as our hourly chart, this one doesn't look like we have the setup. So we're going to skip this one. Always remember we're looking for a trend line break or support resistance hit. Test once or twice with new trend line hold. Dollar yen, pricing going up, shooting up, no trade. Aussie cat, this one, resistance, haven't reached. Trend line, haven't break. Consolidation on the support right here. So we don't have any setup for the support, whereas we expecting for a long trade here. So at this one, we got no setup. Aussie switch. This one is very interesting because we have the trend line break where the top of dimension 1 create a resistance. Downtrend, trend line break, pricing hold here, create a new uptrend for the support. So dimension 1, dimension 2, where it's retesting the resistance, dimension 3, create the bottom, dimension 4, where we have the consolidation, retesting support, we hit the dimension 5. As long as trend line haven't break, we are not going to looking for any short yet, because resistance expecting breakdown, retest right here before it moving down. This is why we want to see for the entries, but at this point, no trade. Aussie yen shooting up, trend line no break, hourly chart, no setup. Aussie New Zealand, trend line up, no break, but we got the support right here. This could be the higher time frame setup. If you go with a higher time frame like 4 hour or day, the risk will be more than 20, 40 or 50 pips on your stock. Consider very well if you want to go higher time frame for the setup. But as an hourly setup, we don't have anything here. Cat switch, similar situation. We got a trend line up right here, new trend line been forming, resistance break up here, resistance break up here, and then we don't have anything break down. If you want to go short, this is not a good setup for us to see. Okay, so no setup on this one. We're going to the next one. Cat yen shooting up, no break, no resistance, no trade. Sweet yen uptrend, no break, no resistance, no trade. Euro Australian, this one is a very interesting setup where we have bottom form, dimension 1, trend line break for the support, dimension 2, create a top, dimension 3, trend line break, testing resistance, dimension 4, and we are at dimension 5 area. Right now the pricing have been tested once, twice, 3 times, and we don't see any trend line break. So if you want to go long on this one, you got to see a very strong breakup going on testing for the support. That is where we want to go long. But at this point, Euro Australian dollar, no trade setup. Euro CAD. At this one, we got the trend line break at the resistance, where we do not have any dimension forming for the bottom, which is, yeah, we do. Let me adjust a little bit. Okay, for the dimension 1, we got a bottom create, trend line break, support, dimension 2, going up, dimension 3, trend line break, resistance, and the support dimension 4, dimension 5. At this dimension 5 area, we got a trend line break, holding right here, a little bit right here, and the price breakdown against us, where we have no support on the trend line anywhere right here to support the setup. So this dimension 5 area is not a very good one to entry long if we hit this area for the support, because when we hit the dimension 5, we always want to see a very good trend line that's been supported, which we do not have. Okay, that is another sign to go the trend direction that you liked when you hit the dimension 5. Euro CAD. Next one, Euro Sweets. Euro Sweets have reached the resistance with dimension 1 uptrend break, testing resistance, dimension 2, create a bottom, dimension 3, going with a support, dimension 5. Right now we are at the dimension 5. As long as the trend line holding, we are not going for short on this one. So this dimension 5 is not qualified for the short entry. So no trade. If you want to limit your risk within 20 pips, hourly and the 30-15 is a good way to go. If you want to risk more than 40-50, 4 hour or day is the one you want to consider. Okay, Euro Pound. We got the trend line break, support, dimension 1, dimension 2, 3, trend line break. We got a no resistance test, so there's no dimension 4 to be considered. Even we hit dimension 5 area, we still need to be very careful for the trend line still holding. As a result, this pair, no trade. Euro Yen shooting up, pricing no trade. Euro New Zealand dollar, the pricing has been consolidated in sideways. As we see, trend line break, pricing still under support, so this could be the setup for higher time frame, either on a dimension 2 or dimension 4. But at this point, we got no setup in hourly, no trade. Euro, okay, Pound Australian. Pound Australian, we got the top trend line break, no resistance on the, no retesting on the resistance. And down, we got a breaking up. Support is not holding up. Pricing didn't break up and testing the support. So eventually this is a consolidation in the higher time frame. As hourly, we got a no trade. Pound cat. Pound cat is a very interesting one. As we can see, uptrend trend line break, dimension 1, support, pricing test, dimension 2. If we see a very clear candlestick right here, which is we don't see anything, this is not going to be a very good short trade at the dimension 2. Let's try the higher time frame, see if we have any. At the higher time frame, resistance, got a very good inside candle, which is look like this. Inside candle, and going down at the outside candle. This could be the good setup for short. Let's confirm this trade really quick by going back to the hour. Okay. By going back to the hourly, we got the uptrend, resistance. Do we have any trend line right here? Could be a very good trend line, but let me try the different tool to draw it. If we go in this way, yeah, actually we have the trend line holding. So this could be the very good short trade. As we can see, if we enter right here, you put a stop around here or here. We will expecting 1 to 1, 1 to 2, right here. So this is a qualified short trade for dimension 2. Good setup. Let's see how this is going to unfold over the Friday and the weekend. Let's go to the next one. Pound sweet. Pound sweets do not have any trend line break, even we hit the resistance for the dimension 2. Let me see really quick. Yeah, we don't have a clear breakdown in the retesting. So dimension 2 not qualify. No trade. Pound yen shooting up. No trade. Pounds New Zealand dollar. At this one, we got the dimension 1 breaking down, retesting. Plus, we might have the trend line right here with a strong breaking down candle. As we can see, this candle pattern on the higher time frame look like shooting star. Very good. It's going to be a very good short trade. So if you want to short on this one, this is a qualified trade for the dimension 2. And we are going to have entry stop right here, target 1, target 2, 1 to 1, 1 to 2, qualified dimension 2 setup. Next one, New Zealand cat. We have this setup yesterday, and I do have the trade enter on this one. In the London section, pricing moving up to my target 1, so I move my stop to the entry level. At the New York section, we got a news breaking down all the way to here, and then my entry got stopped out with break even though we still see a strong rejection on this candle, which the setup still validate for the long, because you see we got the trend line right here. This candle tail has been touched the trend line and bounce back strongly. So this is going to be a good long setup. If we reopen the trade again, I will do the same setup as entry target 1 and target 2. Stop would be right here or down here. So this is going to be a new 121 and 122. A good long setup if we enter the trade after break even today. The trade is still valid for dimension 4. Okay, let's go to the New Zealand sweep. As we have the long on the previous pair, this one trend line still holding, resistance hitting, so expecting more moving up direction. As long as this one don't break down, then our previous pair long position still holding a good place. Confirmation for the previous pair, New Zealand Canadian dollar for long, with this one will be getting stronger if we keep the long position open. Last one, New Zealand yen shooting up, long position. So back to the one we just unfold for the setup yesterday. Long position still validate, but by removing this trend line, the new setup should be looking like this. Okay. Long setup, entry, stop, target 1, target 2. All the way to our resistance. So long setup still valid for this one. Okay, that's pretty much about today's analysis. This channel is to help you to improve your trade within 7 days by analyze your risk and reward, your trading time frame, your availability, and the trade setup you want to go with, turning trade or continuation trade. As we go over the analysis today, most of the trade is end up in the dimension 5, which is the resistance support for the previous dimension 3. So more likely it's going to be the turning trade, and the very few of the setup is a continuation trade. If you want to improve your trade within 7 days, feel free to come back to check our daily analysis, and we'll see you back tomorrow. Have a good one. Bye bye.